Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to be doing a cold start on this car. It is a 2009 Honda Accord EX. We'll get her started up now quickly. It should start up. She unlocked. That's a good sign. And the nice thing about this car is, it does come with your rubber floor mats as well as carpet ones. Step on in, close up the door, and get her running. $102,143 kilometers. She was cold. Pretty nice vehicle, actually. Nice, soft, black cloth seats, leather stitched armrests, storage pockets, cup holders, power plug, not an ashtray, just a storage pocket, another storage pocket. There's a lot of storage pockets in it. We'll put down the window crack, and when I get out, I'll pop the hood. There you go. I'll get a shot under the hood of this vehicle for you. There it is. 2.4 liter IV Tech. This is the K24 engine. Honda's used this engine for a very long time, and it's a very well known, very good engine. This car runs amazing. Pretty nice green exterior on the color too. Runs very quiet, very smooth. Yeah, it's a very nice vehicle actually. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share the video, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day everyone.